One more time. Yeah. Let that hip go. You alive?
Hey everybody, Dr. Howell here, Atlanta's Mobile Chiropractor, and I'm here with Sammy. Accident prone, right?
Yeah.
So we're having lower back pain and just everything.
Yeah, my whole back and my neck, honestly.
So does it bother you when you're baking cakes?
If I'm on my feet for too long, it starts bothering me.
What's the largest order you've ever done?
I did like 50, was it? No, 75 cake jars and like 6 dozen cupcakes for one person.
Who needs that many?
They giving them away.
Oh wow, that's a lot. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start out. So what made you move to Atlanta?
I started modeling,
Okay.
and so I moved here, and just to get to a bigger city.
Do you still do it now?
Here and there. Not as much as I used to.
Yeah, they asked me if I'm ever gonna move back. I'm like, nope. I don't wanna move back. Was one more difficult than the other?
My left leg is always tighter.
Okay. So we're gonna be working on these areas right here, okay? How long have you been bartending?
I just started bartending, like in June.
Do you like it?
It's fun.
I waitressed and bartended all the way up to school.
Yeah, I've been serving for a long time.
Yeah. All right, lift this leg first and back down, and then the other one. Better or worse or about the same as before?
A little bit better.
Good. All right, lift this leg first. All right, then the other one. Better.
Yeah.
All right, you're gonna feel this bottom piece pop up about an inch, okay? And drop. Good. Take a deep breath in. All the way up. Now we're gonna get to a little deeper of it, all right? So right now you have a short left leg.
I knew I wasn't. I tried to tell somebody one of my legs was short. My trainer, he was like, "No, you just lean on it." I'm like, "No, it's short."
It's definitely shorter.
I'm a little
At the
person
moment.
already.
At the moment. Now we're gonna do what we can to get that back leveled out, but at the moment, at this juncture, it is shorter. Facing the door. Yep. Just like that, and you're gonna scoot your body closer. All right. So straighten out that bottom leg. Put it right there. Give me a second. And I'll tell you our full detail. And drop. All right, so what's gonna happen is we're gonna work on your lower body. Your hand and your upper shoulders and stuff is gonna stay about right here. You're gonna look that way. I'm gonna pull about right here, okay? And so let your hips drop. All right, take a deep breath in. All the way out. One more time. Yeah. Let that hip go. You alive?
Yeah.
All right. Flip over to the other side. Yes. That way, too. Same thing. All the way out. Very much better. Much better, much better. You want to try lifting your legs now?
Mm-hmm.
Lift this one. All right. And then the other one. Oh, yeah.
I can feel the difference. That's crazy.
You're gonna wrap your arms right here. All right, this time it's gonna have downward pressure. So, all right, deep breath in. All the way up. Drop your shoulders, let it go. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
All right, pick your head straight back. Let that left ear fall. Pressure here and here, okay? Deep breath in and out.
Oh my god. That feels so good.
All right. Pick your head straight back. Let that right ear fall, just like that. Deep breath in. All the way out. Let it go. Drop that shoulder. Disrespectful. Let your head fall in my hand, yep. So I'm just gonna need to move your head around. You'll feel a little bit of pressure where this hand is, and that's it, okay? Good. And then that side. Let it go. I'm gonna give your neck a little bit of a pull, okay? Mm-hmm. Let it go. Just relax. You okay with that pressure? Mm-hmm. You can go to sit up this area up here. All right. So you're gonna interlace your fingers behind your head. My arms are gonna come through here. Do me a favor, scoot back for me. Perfect. All right. Lay back on me.
So let go.
Mm-hmm. Just lay back comfortably. We're gonna do a good stretch. Deep breath in. All the way up. Let it go. All right, one more time. Deep breath in. All the way up. And then look up for me. You okay? Mm-hmm. All right. Now we're gonna get your arms and legs, okay? Let's go ahead and lay on your back. You did all the hard part. All right, give me your legs, just like that. A little bit of a pull. How long have you been working out with the trainer?
Since right after COVID, like August.
Right.
2020.
Mm-hmm. He seems good.
Yeah, he is.
The people here are nice too.
Mm-hmm.
Just relax your arm. You're a Gemini? I had to look at your birthday. What's your birthday?
May 23rd.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So was mine.
Hmm? That's crazy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, May 23rd.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Mm-hmm. That's why I looked at you. I was like, you playing with me? All right. Let your wrist fall. Good. You left-handed or right-handed?
I'm right, but I use both of them. I broke my right wrist, so I became really dependent on my left hand.
Mm. All right. We're gonna go and sit up and you're gonna face the door on 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, up. So, we're gonna go ahead and let you walk around, see how you feel.
I felt better even when I was like kicking my leg back. I could like feel the difference.
You don't feel like you're wobbling anymore?
You know, usually I stand to the side like this because I feel like my legs were never even, but they can feel even.
There you go. All right, that's great. All right, everybody. Until next time.